Hi, welcome to KG2 PG Icon TV. Our today's topic MSET. MSET abbreviation is Engineering, Agricultural and Medical Common Entrance Test, commonly called as MSET, EAMCET, which is an entrance examination held separately in the Indian states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana for admission into various colleges across both the states in the streams of engineering, medicine and agriculture. This exam is a yearly examination taken by a large number of engineering and medical aspirants in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state. This is the entrance exam for engineering E category and medicine AM category, means agriculture and medicine. For admission to BE, BArch, BTech, Agri Engineering or Dairy Technology. Eligibility వచ్చేసి the candidate should have passed or appeared for the final year of intermediate examination 10+2 with mathematics, physics and chemistry as optional or related vocational courses in the fields of engineering and technology held by the Board of Intermediate Education or diploma examination in engineering or architecture conducted by the State Board of Technical Education and Training or equivalent. Candidates must be Indian nationality. In 2014, the MSET exam was conducted on 22nd May 2014. There has been controversy regarding the MSET counselling after the state of Andhra Pradesh was split into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The APSCHE, Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education, has issued the notification for counselling starting 1st August of the academic year, and all seats should be positively filled by 15th August. The Telangana government has filed a suit in Supreme Court to delay this counselling. The Supreme Court on Monday, 1st August 2014, reserved verdict on Telangana state's application seeking extension of the time schedule for counselling for admission to engineering and medicine for 2014 to 15 till 31st October. The Supreme Court has made it clear that it could extend the counselling for 1 month and not beyond 31st August. The bench also said there could be no question of preference being given to locals in admission to colleges within Telangana. In 2016, AP MSET 2016 exam was held on 29th April 2016. This was conducted by JNTU on behalf of APSCHE. TS MSET 2016 exam was held on 15th May 2016. TS MSET 3 exam was held on 11th September 2016. In 2020, both MSET and TS MSET extended the application form deadline due to COVID-19. TS MSET 2020 exam dates has been revised. The examination will be conducted from 9 to 14 September 2020 for engineering and 9 and 11th September 2020 for agriculture. AP MSET 2020 test will be conducted on 17th to 25th September 2020. Organizing body వచ్చేసి Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education and Telangana State Council of Higher Education conducts the exams AP MSET and TS MSET respectively. Organizing institutes, that is Andhra Pradesh MSET 2014 onwards, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada, AP MSET organizer. Telangana MSET organizer వచ్చేసి 2014 onwards, JNTU హైదరాబాద్, జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ టెక్నాలజికల్ యూనివర్సిటీ హైదరాబాద్. నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్లో ఎంసెట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి బ్రాంచెస్, ఎంసెట్ వైజ్గా టాప్ కాలేజెస్ ఏంటి, ఎంసెట్ ర్యాంక్ బేస్ చేసుకొని కౌన్సిలింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఏంటి, కౌన్సిలింగ్ ప్రాసెస్లో ఏమేమి స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఆఫ్టర్ సీట్ అలాట్మెంట్, ఆఫ్టర్ అడ్మిషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఓరియంటేషన్ సెషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. బీటెక్ కోర్సెస్ వైజ్గా, బీటెక్ సిలబస్ యూనివర్సిటీ వైజ్గా, గేట్ సిలబస్ బేస్ చేసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో మీ సర్కిల్లో ఉన్న ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ షేర్ చేసి లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్.